How to delete general chat in Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you land in your chat page, open up the conversation which you would like to delete from Telegram. After you open up the chat, now navigate to top right corner. There you will find three dots icon. Tap on it. From this drop down box, tap on the last option that says delete chat. Now it will ask for your confirmation. It says permanently delete the chat with this conversation or with this contact. And there is one more option says also delete for this contact. Now if you like to delete the chat from both of you and this contact, you have to choose this option and then tap on delete chat. And with that, the chat will get deleted from Telegram. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.